Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent Machinery's mixed flow blowers are ideal for HVAC systems in chemical plants due to their high efficiency, compact design, and robust construction. These blowers combine the best features of axial and centrifugal fans, providing powerful airflow and high static pressure capabilities. Made from corrosion-resistant materials, they withstand harsh chemical exposures and maintain reliable performance. Energy-efficient motors reduce operational costs, while low noise levels ensure a comfortable working environment. Customizable features allow them to meet specific HVAC requirements, optimizing air quality and safety in chemical processing facilities.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.